Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 27001.6 CDTI L1H1 spares OR repairs Grin MOTED. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,465. MOT, 29 January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.690 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Fourth gear pops out when you are driving, gearbox will need repairing or replacing, flywheel will need replacing due to a rattling. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows, air con.